Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. Microsoft has released its latest Windows 11 security update on yesterday. The update named 202603 Security Update KB5079473 26200.8037. It's a security update for Windows 11. This of course will contain also bug fixing updates from the month of February if you have not applied them yet. If you still not updated, update it now. For updating, simply click Start menu, click on Settings, here click on Windows Update. Here shows Windows is up to date, but still click on the Check for Updates. Now you can see that the latest update 202603 Security Update KB5079473 26200.8037 is available for installation. Here click on Download and Install. Now you can see that the update is started downloading. Just wait for some times, get it downloaded. Okay, now downloading is completed. Now it started installation. Just wait for some time, get it installed. Okay, now installation is completed. Here click on Restart to restart computer. Okay, now the computer is restarted. Now go to update page again. There if I look at my update history page, you could see here comes in the form of 202603 Security Update KB5079473, and depending on you being 24H2 or 25H2, you will see that the ending will be 26100 or 26200 and the ending will be 8037. So, this fixes a variety of security flaws of course. So, to stay safe, the best thing to do is to of course update with your patch now. Some people prefer to wait, just make sure that there is no problems, and I totally understand that. So, some of you will probably waiting a little bit before you apply it. My update went well and pretty fast too. I don't think overall it took more time, like download, installation and restart. It was really quick. I hope that yours goes well and there won't be any issues. And of course, this is the March 2026 security update. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.